3 different kinds of...
You should maybe...
Okay, point to the screen and talk,
something.
not look at me. Yeah.
I woke up and down the steps I ran into your arms. Your clean white dress and hair a mess blew brilliant alarms into my ears, and it's something worth seeing when you turn your eyes to me. Tell me, babe, do you believe in everything you see?